Once upon a time, in a small Indian village nestled between rolling hills and lush green fields, there lived a tiny white cat named Moti. Now, Moti wasn't an ordinary cat. Oh no, you see, Moti had big soft wings that allowed her to fly above the village houses, chasing butterflies and birds. One day, Moti was flying around the village when she saw a little girl sitting by a field crying. "Why are you sad?" asked Moti, landing softly beside her. "I lost my kite," sniffled the girl. "Don't worry," said Moti, her eyes twinkling. "We'll find it." And with that, Moti took off into the sky, soaring above the houses with red tile roofs. As she flew, she spotted the girl's red kite stuck in a tree. Moti landed on a nearby branch and meowed loudly to get the attention of the villagers. Startled by the sight of a flying cat, the villagers came running. "Look, a flying cat, a flying cat," they cried in surprise. The children pointed in awe as Moti flew from house to house, landing on the window sills to peek inside. In one house, she saw a family having their evening tea. In another, she saw a group of women making colorful rangoli patterns on the floor. But Moti had to be careful. If the humans tried to touch her wings, they might break, so she'd only land on the window sills and tail. Then Moti had a wonderful idea. She flew to the biggest house in the village and meowed loudly. The villagers followed her, wondering what she wanted. When they reached the center of the village, Moti stopped and looked up at the sky. The villagers looked up and gasped. There, floating above them, was a giant kite made of pure white cloth. Without wasting a moment, the villagers got to work. They filled every pot and bowl they had with fresh, creamy white milk and placed them outside their homes. Then they all stood back and watched as Moti flew from house to house. Dipping her paws into the milk, she purred with delight as the cold milk splashed on her face and neck. And when the moon was high in the sky, Moti sat in the middle of the village, her wings spread wide, and shouted, "Meow!" It was the loudest, happiest meow the villagers had ever heard. And as if in response, the clouds parted, revealing the brightest stars in the night sky. Confetti and sparkles filled the air as Moti flew above the village, leaving a trail of milk and smiles in her wake. The end.